Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are back with another review video. This is an amazing video and informational video. You can see here, escape the meme tricks, tag New Pepe Revolution. The meme token name is New Pepe. You can check their pre-sale, white paper, tokenomics, docs, giveaway and fake as well. Here it is stage 0 by now until token price increase. Here current price is 0.05423. Next stage price will be 0.061461. New priced and Ethereum, USDT Ethereum balance is well. Also you can connect wallet here as well. Here it is, you can connect MetaMask, Coinbase, other wallet as well. In other wallet you can check Phantom and other wallets as well. If you don't want to connect wallet and move on about New Pepe, New Pepe is not just another crypto token. It's a movement of genuine financial freedom, decentralization and distribution of crypto landscape. It's your chance to join a revolution against centralized control and be at the forefront of unprecedented free sale structure. Act fast to secure your role in shaping crypto history because the stages move quickly. New Pepe Revolution Edge is given below. Revolutionary spirit designed to dominate, unmatched innovation, empowerment through action as well. You can read it in detail as well. We move below. Smart contracts audit by Cyberscope, Quinsard, static as well. You can check crypto.com, be in crypto, Cointelegraph, investing.com. How to buy it? You can check here how to buy it. Keep the meme tricks and stack New Pepe in just 3 simple steps. Here are 3 steps you can check. Step 1 is connect wallet. Use MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Network selection, you can choose the Ethereum based chain or Binance Smart Chain, BSC or Web20. Connect wallet on the pre-sale dashboard as well. The step 2 is choose token and amount. Select Ethereum, USDT, USDC and set your amount and approve transaction. Step 3 is confirm and review your details, then confirm purchase. Confirm in wallet, receive token is the third step, and last step you can receive token is security and audit. We partner top security firms to audit your smart contracts and infrastructure. Core transparency is we are committed to open source principle. Read out our entire smart contracts, their smart contract audit, rug pull prevention as well. You can check tokenomics detail as well, transparent balance, battle ready. It's simple of rebellion in the world of crypto. Total supply you can check here. New Pepe token supply and also address is given. You can copy it. All unsold token will be burned. Liquidity log post launched as well. Here is liquidity is 10%, marketing is 25%, ecosystem 5%, pre-sale is 45%, giveaways 5% and development is just 10% as well. We will check their roadmaps. The meme tricks is being rewritten step by step. Join us on the road to the revolution. Also here is Q2 2020-25 awakening, beginning structure, pre-sale launch official community channel, complete smart contracts audits, crypto marketing campaign as well. Q3 2025 ascension, accelerate pre-sale with targeted campaigns, evaluate potential DEX exchange listing, evaluate token auto liquidity features, start developing basic platform infrastructure as well. Here is fact. New Pepe is a movement committed to decentralization, transparency and true financial freedom. What do you need to know? What's different about New Pepe from other meme coin? Unlikely typical meme coin, New Pepe goes beyond mere hype and serves as a deeper purpose. What is the total supply of new Pepe token, how do I store new Pepe,